Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a public game in Roblox. Open Roblox Studio and create or open your game, then prepare your environment by adding maps, scripts, and assets that match your vision. Test local play to confirm mechanics and performance, fix obvious bugs, and polish lighting. Keep backup copies and use readable naming for assets so collaboration stays smooth. Adjusting permissions is crucial to make your game public and playable by everyone. In the Game Settings panel, choose Permissions, set the game to public, and assign appropriate roles for collaborators. Verify that access levels let players join without invites and that moderation settings are configured to prevent abuse. Save settings, then republish so changes go live and test with a friend to confirm public access works correctly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials and updates. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long development sessions and playtesting marathons. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair, and now let's get back to the video. Publishing is simple, but testing is essential to ensure a smooth player experience. From the File menu, pick Publish to Roblox as fill out game details like description and genre, and choose appropriate thumbnails and icons. After publishing, open the game page to confirm it is listed as public, then join with a test account or friends to check for bugs, latency, and spawn behavior. Iterate based on feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.